Uwi ka na, Mika. Miss na kita. Ayoko. Siyempre, ayoko umuwi. Charot, joke lang. Gusto ko na umuwi. Alam niyo guys, ang ganda dito kasi dahil hindi siya mainit, you don't have to wash your hair every day.
I wash my hair every day, Mika.
Ew. Kasi it makes your hair dry.
Proud na proud ba siya?
Kasi, no, let me tell you a fact. I-research niyo to.
Hindi ko kayang proud ka pa. Hindi ka nag-wash ng hair every day.
Wait lang. Let me explain. Si Kuya Jay.
Hindi na ako nakikinig sa'yo.
Wait lang, let me explain. Kasi ganito yan. There's a research. A research? No, it's a fact. Na parang, you shouldn't wash your hair every single day. Kasi, you're removing the natural oils of your hair. So, kaya yung ginawa ko, I wash my hair every other day. Pero kasi in the Philippines, since we're always sweating, we're always working, kahit dito sumayaw ka, hindi ka gaano magsasweat eh. So it's like, you know, proud ka pala, Mika eh. Oh,